know I can be what I wanna be. I know I can be what I wanna be. I know I can be what I wanna be. I know I can be what I wanna be. Say, we got on my side. I'ma survive. We got on my side. I'ma survive. We got on my side. I'ma survive. We got on my side. 1, 2, oh my Jehovah, mighty protector, Alpha and Omega, taking me higher. Here's my Redeemer.
How many times have I told you? Stop making noise in my house. Eh? Is this a stadium? Huh? Huh? What are you performing for? How many times have I told you to let me sleep in my house? Let me have peace of mind. Rita. Eh? How many times have I told you if you are doing anything, shut up, let me have peace of mind. I cannot wake up one morning and meet a quiet place. Are you okay? Are you mad? What is this nonsense? Sorry for your stupid self. Sorry for your very stupid self. What is your problem? Who sent you? Did they send you? You want to kill me? Are you possessed? Eh? Did I offend you? Is this a studio? So to make yourself useful, go to the kitchen and do something. You are there making noise and disturbing the peace of the house. Go and make me breakfast. Don't let me pounce on you this morning. Fool.
Hello? Hey, that's what I'm doing now. But I'm getting tired. I just can't comprehend it. If you can help me with it, I will be really grateful. Thank you. It will really go a long way for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Hey! What do you think you're doing?
Nothing. I was just looking at your book.
How many times have I warned you to stay away from my books? How many times?
Sorry, I just thought maybe I can help.
Help? With these brains of yours? How do you want to help?
Yes, actually, I noticed that you got the answer for number 2 wrong.
Meaning?
A house made of ice is called an igloo and not ice house.
What do you think you're doing?
Your mom asked that
Get
I
out.
clean.
Just carry yourself and get out from this place
Your
now.
mom instructed me to. Okay, when you're done, I'll come back and clean.
Mom, this book I don't know is this insult I just received lately. Hi.
You waited patiently until I come, running back into your arms. You never leave me. You waited patiently until I come, running back into your arms. Jesus, running back
A
into
tip for the
your...
hardworking lady.
Oh, thank you so much,
Yeah.
sir.
Oh my dear, you have a beautiful voice.
Thank you, ma.
Yeah,
Thank you. I appreciate
Yeah.
this. Hey. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even when I fall your hands, you still there hold my hand. Love out of my soul, you know they break my heart. I sing about your mercy.
Hey sis. How are you doing?
Susan, please help me find my stick. I'm so pressed.
Oh, your stick is lying right beside you. Here. Yeah.
Stupid stick.
Where are you going to?
You just heard me. I'm pressed.
Oh.
How? Stupid stick of me. Use my stick.
Are you okay?
I'm fine!
Sis, how about your caregivers? How? Where are they? I just asked the question, sis.
The stupid girl quit.
Quit? Mm-hmm. When? And how come you didn't tell me about it?
I mean, I just did. Goodness. Please listen. I don't need any further non-entity in this house. Please.
Sis, they are not non-entities. They just help.
I'm fine all by myself. Alright? Please.
And how are you fine all by yourself? You need someone to be helping you with the chores and all stuff.
I don't need anyone.
You're here right now. Your stick is lying right beside you. You couldn't even find it. What if I was not here?
You don't get it, do you? Of course, I was too frustrated to continue to search. You don't understand. Sometimes, I don't know what is even better. Maybe not to wake up at all, because I mean, what's the whole point of waking up every day and you're not even allowed to see the day? It's like going through the world and not seeing the world. Right?
Okay, sis. I understand. I know how you feel. Please.
You don't understand.
I do. I just want you to calm down. I mean, it's not like it's the end of the world. You'll definitely be fine, trust me.
Susan, you do not understand. You can't possibly understand the pain you haven't felt. I mean, how? You can't relate, can you? Think about it. Have you been blind for even a minute? Have you?
I've not.
So how can you understand the pain of someone who cannot even see and doesn't even have the hope of ever seeing again? It's just easy for you to console me and try to tell me everything is going to be fine. But it's never fine. I wear the shoes, I know where it hurts. Sometimes I don't even want to wake up. Because I don't see the need. Okay, think about this. How about you close your eyes for just a minute? Imagine the darkness you see in a minute. And imagine you never, ever be able to open your eyes to see the light ever again. Think about it.
It's okay, sis. It's okay. You'll be fine, sis. Oh my God. Why's this place this messed up? Oh my God. Joel, so much for being able to take care of yourself, girl. This is too much. How am I supposed to start from? I don't understand. Why is my living room looking this messy? What is this? What is this?
Mom, you're welcome.
Why is this place looking so unkept?
I still know that stupid guy.
I thought I gave... Rita! Rita!
Yes, mommy.
Rita, when I was leaving this house, what did I say? Did I not give you specific instructions?
Oh, I've cleaned the other places, but it's just here. Oliver told me to leave it when I came to clean it. I'm just waiting for her to study and I'll clean it.
This girl is a liar. Someone I told to clean up this place. And she got angry. In fact, she walked out on me because I told her to stop singing and do her walk well.
No, why are you lying? That's not true.
Okay, no, you're calling my daughter a liar. No, my daughter is now a liar now. Is that what you're saying?
But Mom, your daughter too. Why do you keep doing this? Why do you keep choosing her over me every time? You just keep supporting her. I'm your daughter too. This kind of days make me miss Dad. Just wish he's here.
Did you just mention my husband's name?
No, I was just trying to tell you.
He lost his life? You have to your kid! My husband! Are you mad? Are you mad? Because if I start beating you now, they'll say, oh, she's wicked. I told you I don't want to beat you. Don't let me beat you, because if I beat you with this my hand, you will not like yourself. You have effort to mention my husband's name. Oh, you want to turn me to a murderer. I know your plan. I know your plan, but it will not work for you. Evil child. Let me meet this place like this again. Let me just now break your head. Idiot.
I have learned to trust
let him sign the contract,
you,
and that's all. And once it's done,
you have never ever failed.
let me call you back.
Never disappoint. Oh, you've been so. Oh, good morning, sir.
You have a lovely voice, my dear.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What happened to your face? You should be resting by now.
Sir, nothing happened. My face is not even paining me anymore. I'm just going to work. I have to hurry.
Going to work?
Yes, sir.
What happened to school? You don't like school?
School? I love school. In fact, school is the reason I'm going to work now. I'm going to work so that I can save up and register myself in school quickly. I don't even want to waste time.
And your parents?
They're not financially capable of sending me to school. So I have to save up by myself.
Oh. You know, I love your zeal. You know, and how your face beams up talking about school.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Amen. Amen. Thank you.
Trust me, I wish I can see you through school, but do I have? Okay.
No, sir.
No, it's okay. No, so no, please, don't say no, please, have it.
Sir, I don't want to take something from stranger.
No, take, please.
This is too much.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Look, God will see you through.
Amen.
All right? My
Amen.
God will make you achieve your aims in this life.
Amen.
All is well, okay?
Thank you so much, sir. At least this will go a long way. Thank you.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Where are you coming from? Is your house far from here?
Oh, it's just down at the junction, that junction.
And you've been working from there?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Please, okay. Let me drop you off.
No, sir, please, no. You've already helped me enough. I can't inconvenience you again.
You're not inconveniencing me.
No, thank you so much. Thank you. This is too much. Thank you. I'll just go to work now. Okay? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hey. For you have never ever failed. Thank you, Jesus. You never disappoint. You've been so good to me. Oh, Lord. You've been so good.
Mommy,
What is it?
I'm not happy. They said if I don't pay my school fees, I will not be able to write the upcoming exams.
I'll think of something.
Every time you're thinking of something. See me, I want to graduate with my mate. I can't afford to spend extra 1 year in that school.
What do you want me to do? I said I'll think of something now.
I can never explain
For something. I already
the
told
things
you.
you do for me. Oh God, your love is amazing. Twakanerumba. Good evening, Mom. Good evening, Olivia.
What is good about the evening? See, I'm not in a good mood like this. Don't use your voice and start disturbing my ears.
Madam, where are you coming from? Didn't you see the time? What time is it?
Ma, the thing is, we had a lot of work to do. If you see the park today, we had plenty customers, so they scattered the whole place. We had to start cleaning it. So that's why our supervisor said that we should calm down, take our time and clean very well before we go.
Your supervisor said you should calm down. Okay, your supervisor decided to stab me in my house.
Yeah.
Sir? I don't understand. I'll go out there and work and bring food to the house, but I'll still be hungry in my own house.
Sorry. Ma, the thing is, I thought Olivia was going to cook today. That's why I calmed down.
As per what? Your maid or what? Let me get it. Okay, you're telling me that is jobless in this house now. I'm now jobless, so I should cook for you and wait for you, Her Royal Highness, to come back and eat.
You thought? Who asked you to thought? Okay, she'll go to school and study. All the stress of the day, I'll come back and cook, and then you come from where you go to. After gallivanting the whole park, telling me you are working, you come and eat. Rita, I don't want to shout this evening. See, just go to the kitchen. There is yam and vegetable there. Pound the yam very soft. I see that vegetable. I don't want sand though. Wash it properly. Wash it like 4 to 5 times because I don't want to taste any sand. Make sure the pounded yam is soft. Go.
Honestly, my waist is paining me. I've worked since morning. Can I just make yam and eggs or any other easier meal? I said, can I just make...
You're repeating yourself. You're repeating yourself. Okay, you'll be the one to tell me what to eat in my house because it's your father that is paying the rent of this house. Eh? You want to go to that kitchen, make pounded yam for me.
Keep up.
Disappear.
Lie down,
Idiot.
don't stress yourself. Sleep. Go and sleep. Lie down. Let's continue our discussion first.
We want to boil yam and egg. Because your father laid egg in my kitchen and kept for me. Idiot.
My bleeding heart never get healed.
Back to our discussion.
Broken and shattered.
I will think about it.
I don't know what else
Think
to
now.
do.
Be thinking as I need.
Not
My eyes have seen, hey, my ears have heard of the wonderful, wonderful things you did do. 1, 2, everybody say, my eyes have seen, my eyes have heard of the wonderful, wonderful things you did do. Boom, 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 boom. If you ask me to count them, oh, I know go feet. If you tell me to count them, oh, I know go 1, 2, 3, 4. Where I go start, I know go feet. I got my collar, Harry there, oh, hey. Yes, everybody put your hands together. Now we're going to perform again. My eyes have seen.
Beat me now. Pluck my eyes.
Sorry, ma.
Celine Dion.
Sorry.
Mercy Chinwo. Are you not supposed to be cooking?
I'm cooking. I'm just multitasking.
Oh, you're multitasking. Multitasker. Rita, how many times have I told you to stop singing in my house? Does this look like a studio to you? You're not supposed to be cooking.
I'm cooking.
What are you doing? You want to make me kill you with my hand. You want to turn me to a devil? Because if I start between you now, don't say I am a wicked woman. Did your father bring your children in this house? Does it look like a studio to you? You will be singing every day. You not let me have peace of mind just that I'm paying rent. Nonsense. Celine Dion. Let me come back here and meet you here. Let me come back and meet you. Fool.
My eyes have seen. My eyes have seen. Of the wonderful, wonderful things you did do.
You're crying. Madam Smiler. I don't know that you used to cry, you. I thought your village is only smile people know how to do. So you can cry like this. You've not seen anything. You're here making noise. Nobody can rest in this house again. Be singing rubbish song. See, that food on the fire. If that thing burn, I will give my own beating. Yes. Rubbish. Come on, it's not village.
For your sister. The thought is too much in that food.
Almost to my wasn't just manageable.
Manageable.
Like tomorrow, Shai will be bad.
This one, the smiler is not smiling again. Hope you are safe.
Mommy,
Daddy.
you forgot to put my own food.
So it's because of food you are burning your face. What hunger cannot do does not exist.
Anyways, I did not forget. I did not forget at all. But that food was too nice. You're not worth that kind of meal. I bought condiments very expensive. So I put the remaining ones in the fridge. If you're hungry, go and boil yam and use small red oil.
And yam. No, later I will carry for that yam now with egg. And that's the really last yam in that kitchen.
Okay. In that case, you will drink garri.
Yes.
Drink garri and salt. Please, the salt should be small. A pinch of salt. Do you know what a pinch is? If you put more than a pinch, you buy it. Because your father has never given money for buying for food stuff. Pinch. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Go. Good night.
Thank you.
Next time if you are cooking, don't pack too much salt in the food.
You almost finished that salt. You don't know what salt is saying in the market. I don't know if Lot's wife is your friend.
Even if I'm hungry, I would have not even eaten the food. Just that man got to eat. Man must chop.
I want to eat pounded yam. You know how much yam is in the market?
Okay, let's do something. Everybody cheer! Woo! I'm not lacking anything. Hey, this no be bragging, it's just who I am. In case you want to know what is happening, Jesus is taking care of me. Your love keeps chasing after me. I know they stress myself. I know they know that they have tried and failed. You keep failing. And when they ask how I'm doing, everybody jump up. Hey, I'm okay. I'm alright. I'm shining. I'm bubbling. Can't you see what I see when you ask me how I'm doing? I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm alright. I have Jesus. Peace of mind. Can't you see? I'm fine. Woo! Okay, look at me now. I'm okay. Look at me now, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Look at me now. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Yes, pick one out of the two. I'll pick this pink because I love pink. Pink is. Where are you going?
Oh, I'm going to work.
You are going to work. Yes. Today there is public holiday. You see the both of us at home. You are going to work. So who is going to do all the errands?
Oh, no, I've done everything. I've cleaned everywhere. I've even prepared breakfast and lunch. So when I come back, I'll prepare dinner. Yes.
Really? So easy to say in your mouth. So if I want to drink water or I want to take juice, will I invoke your spirit?
You know, the supervisor asked that we come there today. He'll be very angry if I don't come. You know what? Just make a list of everything you will need for the day. Just make a list of it. I'll prepare it before I leave.
Are you sure this girl is normal? Are you foolish? How will I know what I'll be craving for later in the day?
See,
Ma,
before you leave, go to the bathroom. I have some dirty clothes there. Wash everything clean.
Okay.
Everything should be clean. I don't want to see any stain.
If she leaves, who will run errands for me?
Let her go. I don't want her presence in this place. Her presence is irritating me. Go. Go and get those things done, please.
Fine. My dirty clothes is in the bedroom too. Wash them. Wash it very well. Very clean.
Okay, ma. Thank you so much.
Go.
Let me hurry. Let me keep my bag.
Are you sure this girl is normal? The way she smiles at every little thing. Let her not bite us one day.
If she like, let her be crying. It's not my business. I don't care. I just let her wash those clothes. That's my own.
Show me the clothes. You did it. Look at this pink gown. You buy it for me. And that yellow shirt I told you about.
Which yellow shirt?
I've watched this particular side. Just watch this particular part. I've watched it. You see what the man
The Lord has done it finally. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Olivia.
Good afternoon. At least you decided to come early today.
Oh,
Welcome.
yes. So, do you know that our supervisor said that we should go early today, so that tomorrow we'll come back early in the morning refreshed, because plenty of people came to the park today, and everywhere is dirty and.
I see. Welcome.
Mommy, honestly, if you see what happened in the park today, it was dramatic.
When that one starts, are we your mates? Look, now you want to gist us what happened in the park today.
Sorry.
You don't have respect though. You don't have respect. It's like where you are coming from, they were smoking and it's now affecting you. Are you high?
Because I am also wondering. It's like overexcitement is your problem. Who asked you? You want to give me a story? Did I ask you?
Sorry, ma.
Go inside and make something for me to before I slap that happiness out of your face.
Okay, ma.
Idiot.
Sorry.
You want to give me a story? Did I ask you?
Thank you, Lord, for a successful day.
Mama, I've told you, you need to take this girl to hospital because her brain is not functioning well. Obviously. Want to give me gist? That's your sister.
This should be just enough. Yeah. Pack it back. Here for me when I go home. Welcome.
What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just reading.
You're reading what? Give me! How many times have I warned you to stay away from my books?
No, but this is your old book. I saw it when I was sweeping out.
Even though you picked it from the waste bin, does it belong to you? Is it your own? Thief! Is it your own?
Olivia, stop. You're no more using the
Shut
book.
up! Rubbish. I know your plan. You want to be more intelligent than me.
No.
So you can tell me what is good and what is wrong. Yeah?
Olivia, stop. Olivia, now, stop.
Stop what?
Stop, I'm reading the book.
And so, see, stay away from anything that belongs to me. Stay away from it. You want to be intelligent.
No, stop.
I will slap you. I will slap you and smart in the quick vest me.
What is the noise about? What is it?
Mom, is this thief? Is this thief? I've warned her to stay away from anything that belongs to me, but she shouldn't listen.
She's not using the book again, so I decided to take it.
It's like you don't have anything to do with your life.
No, I just wanted to read. I've not read in a while. So I decided to take her old book and she told me to avoid her new book, so I left it.
It's like you're very jobless. You don't have anything to do again with your life in this house. Have you mopped this house today?
Yes, I've cleaned everywhere.
So you clean this dusty ground. You cannot see the dust. Go. Pick the mop. Fast. Start mopping this place. When you finish, go to that kitchen. Bring out those plates. Everything. Sweep under that cupboard. Bring out everything inside that cupboard. Sweep that ground very well. Mop it. That plate. Wash it again. Twice. That rack. Clean it properly. I don't want anything that will stress me today. Do you hear me? When you finish, go to the toilet and wash it.
Mama.
Go! I don't want to be angry today. I don't want anything that will piss me off this evening. Alele. You are reading.
Rubbish. Mom, I'm coming. Let me pick up something, though.
Sis, let me help you.
Don't help me. Please. I need anybody's help.
Sis. Let me help you. You're
Do
falling.
not help me. I'm fine. Alright? Don't help me. I'm not a child. I don't need your help.
How will I raise this money?
Mom,
What is it?
can I talk to you?
I just asked you, what is it?
I've been saving for a while now, and now it seems the money is enough. So I've been thinking maybe I should go and register myself in school. Maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow.
And how much do you have that you think is enough to register you in school and get all the things you require?
100,000 naira, ma. 100,000.
Rita.
Ma?
Have you started stealing?
No, God forbid, no. Why would I steal? It's the money I get from work. They pay me and people always tip me, so I saved it. And give me 100,000.
100,000?
Yes, ma.
From working in a park?
Yes, ma.
That's nice, though. Very wonderful.
Thank you, ma.
Anyways, it's a good thing that you want to go to school. But you are still a young child. You cannot go to school and register yourself.
Oh.
So, you will bring the money. Tomorrow, I will accompany you. We'll go and look for a school for you.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Hey, thank you so much. Let me get the money. Hey.
100,000.
Mommy, the money.
It's real though. It's no problem. Tomorrow morning, wake up early. Say 7:30.
Okay, ma.
So go on time and maybe you can start with them.
Thank you so much, Mommy. God will bless you.
Amen. You too.
I'm going to school.
Two. 100.
Hey! Homie, you said you don't have money.
I don't have one.
So where did you get this from?
It's Rita.
Rita?
Yes, so.
Has she been stealing our money?
She said she did not steal though. From the park. She made 100,000 from the park. And she said those customers, when they are going, they dash her small money.
Hey!
100,000.
Ha!
And another one said she wants to go and register for school.
Ha! Which school? Mom, I hope you're not going to let that happen. I am on the verge of spending extra year in school if I don't complete my remaining 80,000 naira school fees.
You're talking as if I am not your mother. Am I not your mother? You don't trust me again.
So she will have to wait. That has school wait maybe next 2 years or 3 years when I'm done. She can go and find another 100,000 she use and start school for herself.
Give me first. Eh? God is good though.
God is good though. So you just pay on your own now. Somebody will just carry 100,000 and give you.
Me that was here thinking of how I'll pay your school fees. You see this God?
When he loves you, he loves you.
My darling. Where are you coming from?
I went to Lillian's house. I went to see her. It's been long now. You know she's my friend. It's been long I saw her.
What did you tell before you left?
Mom, you were sleeping now. I did not take because you were sleeping. And I didn't want to disturb you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I'm happy, oh.
This man of Galilee, you are a good man, oh. You work in mysterious ways. 100,000, just like that.
It's fine. Carry on. Mom already told me the news. You're starting school soon.
Yes. Thank you so much. I just needed to catch up before I start.
Very necessary and important. This is more like a dream come true for you.
Honestly. And thank you so much for letting me borrow your book.
There's nothing there. It's fine. Just keep on reading your book.
Thank you.
Sis, you need to take your medications.
Susan, I'm not taking any medication, please.
But sis, you need them. The doctor said you have to take them every day.
Susan, like, I care. I mean, do I look like I care about what the doctor has to say or not say? I mean, what does he even know? I don't need anything. I'm not taking it. My goodness. By the way, what are you still doing here? It's late.
I'm going to be staying here for the night.
What? That's a joke, right? Why?
I mean, there's no one to stay here with you.
There's no one to stay here with me. Like you're talking to a child who needs someone to carry her around. Am I an invalid? Please, just go back to your house.
But sis, nobody's calling you a child here. The last time I came, the whole house was littered. Everyone was untidy and unkept. I even had to start doing the chores myself.
Oh, slow down. What if I wanted it like that? What if I just wanted to be in a littered, dirty, stinking environment? Have you thought of it?
And who does that?
Oh, please just leave me there alone. Please. Oh my goodness. Why is this so difficult for you to understand? Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. I want to be alone. It sucks. I don't want to be here and have this conversation. You're bugging me.
In as much as you're frustrated with your tragic story, that doesn't mean it's the end of the world. I mean, as long as there is life, there's still hope, sis.
Susan. Do you know what is most frustrating right now? It's not even my story. It's the fact that you're sitting here next to me, bugging me. I do not want to have this conversation. What do you not understand? I just want my peace and quiet. Look, I'm fine. I'm not frustrated. All right? Can you just go now, please? Thank you. God, please.
Okay. Maybe once you're done, take your medications because they're very important.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, I'm ready.
You're ready to go where?
To go and get registered.
Registered for what?
School.
Oh, that one?
Yes.
That cannot happen now. Cannot happen again.
Mommy, why?
Because there's no money now. It's no money that you used to register.
Money.
Yes, money. You want to go there with paper?
No, I gave you money here yesterday. I gave you 100,000 naira.
Okay. The food you are eating, did your father leave a farm for me? I subtracted your rent and your feeding allowance. That is the money I used.
Mommy, this is not fair. This is not fair at all, Mommy. Honestly, this is not fair. I don't like this. You said you don't have money to pay my school fees. I had to work. I had to start working for the money, and now you've given it to someone else.
What is this fuss about? If you start working now, before you know it, you gather more money. So what is the problem? Rita, do you know that you're a very heartless child? You're a very, very wicked human being. Because you stay in this house with us. You've been hearing me complaining about lack of money. And you also know that your sister will have an extra year if she missed her exam. And you had 100,000 naira with you. If not that my God wanted to expose you, you wouldn't have brought that money to my notice. You know that you're a very wicked child. You don't know?
Mommy, this is so unfair. This is so unfair. I saved money for the longest. I saved. You said you don't have money to pay, so I had to save. And now you've used it for someone else.
Since you know how to save, start saving another one. And as you are saving, make sure you save your house rent and your feeding allowance. Do you hear me? Because this house you are staying, I did not build it. My father did not lay foundation. And your father, your useless father, did not lay foundation too. The food you are eating, do you have a farmland? Have you ever been to a farm in your life before? Has your father brought a tuber of yam to this house before? Start saving for food. I only removed your house rent and your feeding allowance. That is the money I removed.
Mommy, this is not fair. Honestly, I had high hopes of going to school. After you promised me that today you escort me to school so that you register me in school. This is not fair. This is not fair.
What is the fuss about? What is this tears for now? The relaxation pack is there. Is it not? The people that tipped you before, are they not still coming to tip you? They will come to the park. So what is the problem? If you start saving another money, now before you know it, you have extra money and you can go to school. So why are you crying in my ears? Eh? What is this noise for? Please, it's too early in the morning. I don't want to be angry. I do not want to be angry. So get out of my side before I land hot slap from... Oh. Rita, disappear.
My wounded heart never gets healed.
What did I do? Eh? Will I be the one taking care of you by myself? At a young age, they told me to a single mother. I am paying rent, I am feeding you. You have 100,000, you want to go to school. Come and go to school. Your father built school and kept somewhere for you. Idiot. You want to go and register.
My bleeding heart never gets healed.
What did I do?
Broken and shattered. I don't know what else to do. Nothing interests me anymore. I don't know what else to do. But when I had this sound coming from the other side, it's just irresistible.
Sis? Good morning. Wakey, wakey. You're still sleeping by this time. Wake up.
Susan, what are you still doing here? You're not going to work today. What about your own family?
Don't worry. I've contacted everybody and everything is under control.
Susan, you don't need to put your life on a pause just to take care of me, because I'm fine.
Don't worry. Everything is okay. I was thinking, sis, how about we hang out today, maybe go to the park?
Please, I'm not interested in going anywhere.
Sis, please. We're definitely not going to take time.
Oh, God, I don't want to go. What is all this? I'm fine. I'm not leaving this house. I'm not going anywhere. If you want to go to the park, you can go alone. You don't have to go with me. I'm not even in the mood for that.
Sis,
Rubbish.
please, just this one time, and I promise I'm not going to disturb you again. Please.
Why?
Please, no. Just this one time.
Oh, my goodness. Susan. Fine. You know what?
What?
Since you sound like your entire life depends on this,
Yeah, it does, actually.
considering your desperation, I'll give you 20 minutes. Nothing more, nothing less.
Well, sis, 20 minutes is more than enough. Don't worry, let's get you ready. 20 minutes is okay, sis. Let me get you dressed.
Sorry? Oh my God, you want to get me dressed like I'm a child?
Don't worry.
Oh, please,
Get yourself dressed and I'll come check up on you later. Please try and hurry up. Time. I don't have.
Oh, please just shut up.
Giving up is not an option. No matter how many times I have to try before I'll succeed, I will do it. I will not give up. I will keep working and working until I finally go to school. Besides, every disappointment is a blessing in disguise. So I'll go out there, work, raise money, smile and stay hopeful. I'm a strong girl. Why am I crying?
Mom. Okay, I'm going to school so I can pay my school fees.
Okay, please.
Just go straight to the bank, make your payment, and come back home. I don't want stories.
Ha! Mom, I don't understand. Am I a child?
I'm just saying.
Are you trying to say I can't take care of myself?
I did not say that. I just don't want to hear any story.
You will not hear any story.
Good.
Where is that girl?
I don't know. Probably in the room crying.
She's crying.
You have done enough, oh. You have done enough, oh. Mommy, Olivia, bye-bye. I'm going to work now. See you later, oh. Take care of yourself.
What just happened? Mom, I don't understand. What just happened now? Why is she happy? Why is she singing? I thought she's meant to be crying by now, after what we did to her. So why is she happy? Mom, are you sure this girl is not possessed? Because tell me what is funny now that is making her to sing.
I remember when this place used to be our favorite spot. Looking at the birds, looking at the trees, getting fresh airs. I mean, it's really nice doing this with you again, sis.
How many more minutes have we got?
Drew?
You heard me.
I also have something very important I want to talk about with you. Idea, you move in with us.
All right? Anything else you want to say, because I'm almost out of this place.
Out in 15 minutes.
Susan, please, I want to leave.
You know, it's really been, it's not been easy for us. Yes, you're going through a lot. You also have people as well around you. It hurts that you're going through this particular incident. Well, we also care about you as well. Consider us as your sister. I'm here and I've always done everything to make you happy, but it's not working. At least help me.
Susan, please take me out of this place. I want to go home.
You know what? You'll be sitting here alone for like next 15 minutes while I walk out and see around.
Susan.
Since it's not working.
Susan. Susan?
Excuse me.
So good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yeah, all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so.
Oh my God, she has a nice voice.
Good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me. All my days in your hands, from the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God.
It seems you're having fun without me.
All my life you have been faithful.
Oh, she has a very nice voice.
Oh, yes,
and all my life you have been so good.
All right, let's go in.
Susan.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me do this.
It's okay. I mean, anything for you to have fun, right? So let's go inside.
Thank you.
Why is she not back? I don't understand. What is wrong with you? What happened to you? Why are you crying? Come. First, come and sit. What happened to you? I was just about to call you. What is wrong? Why are you crying? Sorry. What happened to your face? What happened? What is it? Why are you crying?
When I was walking on the street, a group of boys came. They slapped me and collected my bag.
And
In my bag, my school fees is inside. They collected everything.
I don't understand that thing that you are saying. What happened to the school fees?
They stole it from me.
Eh?
They stole it from me. My mouth is bleeding me. My mouth just swallowed up. My mouth is bleeding. I don't even know. How am I going to eat now? How will I eat? This mouth is bleeding me. Why me? Why did I go there? My only hope. My only hope.
Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. What a day.
Whenever I see you, I just feel some kind of cringy.
I don't understand. Look, Olivia, I'm tired. I need to rest and prepare dinner.
Why do you have so much bad luck with you?
What did I do?
You're asking me what you did. Very soon you will understand. I'll give it to you.
Please. I need to rest and freshen up so that I can... What is wrong with her? And why is she talking like that? Why is her mouth swollen? I need to... let me go and prepare dinner before Mommy will get angry at me. I am not perfect, but you held my life till now.
Mommy.
What is it?
Let's talk.
About what?
What are we going to do now?
You who is we? Huh?
Me and you. What are we going to do?
Are you sure you're okay? Because I was very clear when you were leaving. I was warning you. I warned you, as a matter of fact. What did you say? You're not a child. You can take care of yourself. Was that not what you said? Only God know how you were walking around. How did those boys know there was money with you?
I was working the same way normal human beings used to work now. I was working not normal. Are you sure Rita did not plan all these things?
Rita what? Don't let me give you dirty slap this early morning. Rita was not even in this house when you left. So Rita what?
Even if she did not plan it physically, she can plan it spiritually. That girl is possessed though, and she has plenty bad luck with her.
Don't touch me again, please. I want to sleep. Yeah? Please, If you don't have anything to do with your life, go outside or do whatever it is you want to do. Don't touch me. Rita. Rita. Stand up, wake up. Wake up. Don't know why you are sleeping like you did farm work. Wake up, come and get ready and start going to work.
Work?
Yes, work.
Oh, mommy, it's still too early now. The park has not even opened by now.
Rita, stand up and start going to work. Because I don't want to hear that you came late, that was why your supervisor reduced your salary. Nothing should happen to that money. Stand up. Stand up. Let me not meet you here. Let me not meet you here.
I slept late yesterday. I'm tired. I remember when Brooklyn day pray for midnight, yeah. Him go dey cry every night and day. Nothing dey for inside. PSG holder, nothing to show for it. But when you enter, everything change. Cause you look. I remember when Auntie Kelly dey cry every day. 12 years of marriage. But nothing to do.
Excuse me?
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing great. My name is Susan, by the way. But you can call me Auntie Susan.
Oh, okay, I'm Rita.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, Rita. Please, can I have a few words with you? Just for a few minutes. I'm not going to waste your time.
Ma...
Auntie Susan, please.
Auntie Susan,
Yeah.
I'm actually working and I have a long way to go before I finish.
I know. I'm not going to take your time. I'm definitely just going to take just a few words with you and then we're out of here. Please, just sit down. I'm not going to take your time. Thank you so much. Actually, I have a better job for you.
A better job? Yes. What kind of job is that, ma?
Okay, I have a sister that got into an accident a few years ago. And ever since then, her life has never remained the same. She has never even smiled ever since that incident took place. And but yesterday, she did. Yes, she smiled. And it was because of you.
Me?
Yes. Okay, actually we were here yesterday and she heard you singing. And she sang along with you. And not just singing along with you, she even smiled in the process.
Wow. I'm very happy. I'm happy my song had a positive impact on your sister.
Yes.
Wow.
It did. And that's why I'm here. I want you to come work for us. You see, she's been at home all alone. She's nobody to talk to, just moody and sad. I can't always be there for her when she wants me to be. I have my kids and my work to attend to. I need someone to be there for her. And that's why I'm here. I want you to come and work for her. I know she will not admit the fact that she needs someone to be with her, but staying at home alone and calling me when I'm at work, it's not really going well for me. Please don't say no to my requests.
Ma,
I really need you to help me.
you know there's no way I can say no. I want you to help your sister. If working for you and her will help her, I'll say yes, but I need you to know that this job is very important. I'm trying to save up for my education and some other things.
I don't mind paying double of whatever you're getting paid here.
Sorry,
As long as she's...
sorry, excuse me, you said double.
Definitely.
But do you know how much they're paying me here?
I don't care. I'll pay double of it.
So you pay double? That's huge, ma. Thank you so much.
I should be thanking
you.
you.
In fact, I'll work for you. I'll work for you. Once I wrap up today, I'll work for you, ma.
Then that's a deal. Say, I'll just stay and wait for you. I don't mind.
Okay, ma. You know what? I just have this section to finish. Once I'm done with my section, I will meet my supervisor.
Okay.
Talk to him about it, then I'll go with you.
That's not a big deal. I'll just stay and...
Thank you so much, ma. Let me quickly... Do you want to sit here and wait or...
I don't mind. I'll just stay here and wait.
Okay, ma.
Hey, who is there?
Please, don't worry. It's me, baby. It's me, sis. Come here. It's me, don't worry.
Susan,
Yes, sis.
you are with someone.
Yes, I'm with someone. Sis, this is Rita. Rita, this is my elder sister, Jo.
Good afternoon, ma. I'm so happy to meet you. And I must say you are very beautiful.
Susan,
Yes, sis.
this is a child.
She's not a child, she's a teenager.
So, what are you doing with a teenager?
Okay, she'll be your new caregiver for some time.
Susan! I told you that I do not
You do not want a caregiver. I know. That's why she's not going to come here, do her chores, and then leave. Please.
Susan, I do not need anyone to take care of me. Can you hear yourself talk? You sound so unbelievable. Like you got a child to take care of me. I mean, how does that sound to you? Huh?
Sis,
Uh-huh.
I'll just leave you both to get acquainted with each other, okay? So, later I'll give you a tour of the house.
Susan, you're not going to do that, okay? You are going to take her back. You have to take her back. I do not need a caregiver. I'm not joking. Hey, little girl, what are you doing crawling from one end of my couch to another? Huh?
Auntie Jewel, I'm
Excuse me? Did I just hear you say auntie? I am not your auntie. All right? I do not know you and you do not know me. Huh? We have nothing in common, so I can never be your auntie.
Okay.
Rubbish.
So what do you prefer I call you?
No, I do not want you to call me anything. All right? I just want you to leave. By the way, aren't you supposed to be in school? What are you doing here at this time of the day?
Yes, I'm supposed to be in school. That's why I'm here. I mean, I'm here to work so that I can save up to pay my school fees.
Now you're supposed to pay your school fees yourself. Don't you have parents? Huh? You know what? Don't worry. I don't need an answer. I just want you to leave. Okay? Because I am not employing you.
Well, that's too late already because Miss Susan just left and
What?
I don't know my way around, so I can't really go until she comes back. But you know what? I have an idea. How about we just stay together? You just pretend like I came here to keep you company and not to work for
I
you.
do not need company. Don't you get that?
Look, no man is an island. We all need company. We all need someone to lean on, to talk to every time. I want to be that person. if you don't want to talk, I can just sit right here and be quiet, you know? Yeah.
Good. That works for me. Just shut up. All right?
Okay. You know, I think we're gonna make good friends. That's if you want to be friends.
Hello? Excuse me? I thought you said you're going to just sit quiet.
Oh, yes. I just can't function without talking. Sorry.
Well, you have to learn to shut up. Especially for the few minutes you're going to be here.
Few hours, not minutes. Sorry. Good evening, Mom. Good evening, Olivia.
Why are you home this early? What is it? What's the problem?
Why did you come back home early? What have you done at the park that made you run back home by this time?
Actually, I'm no more working at the park anymore. In fact, I'm no more working there.
I don't understand. You stopped working. Why? How? What did you do? Why did they sack you? I woke you up early today to avoid issues like this.
Listen to me. They didn't sack me.
So
they
what
didn't
happened?
Sack me. In fact, I got a better job.
I don't understand.
You are good forever.
Shut up! Who do you think you are?
Ha!
I mean, what are you feeling like? So you think you can just wake up one morning and decide to change your working place? Eh? Knowing fully well that your salary is meant to be received by month's end. We need it.
No, it's not.
Rita, why did you change your job without letting me know? I don't understand. Let's even go to the most important part. What is the salary range?
Ma, you see this part now? It's the most sweetest part about the job. Yeah,
Hey, I don't want to hear a story. I asked you a simple question. Answer me.
Okay.
What is the salary?
That's what I want to tell you now.
Straight to the point.
Okay. My new madam. She said that she will be paying me. Hey! She said she'll be paying me double of what I get when I'm working at the park. Yes!
With your salary?
Yes!
That's...
With small tips.
I don't care about those things. I don't care. That's all I need to know.
Me, I'm still thinking. I'm still trying to comprehend the kind of service you will render to them that will make them give you that kind of money. Double of what you're receiving. Because you are useless now. Why would they give you that kind of amount?
Don't say that like that now. I'm not useless like that.
It's okay. Please. Take yourself to the kitchen and make something for me to eat.
Okay. Do you want any special thing or should I
Just.
Because I'm very excited.
Go. Leave my presence.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be. Let me make something. You are gone forever. You never let me stop.
Shut up!
Oh, she's here. You're here. Welcome. Come in.
Good morning, Ma.
You're welcome. Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Ma.
Okay, yeah, I need to get going to work already.
Okay, Ma.
So hold this phone. You'll be using it to contact me whenever you need anything, any difficulties of any kind. Just use it. Call me and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Okay. And this is the key to the house. Please make sure you lock up every part of this house before you leave, okay? And take good care of my sister, okay? She is all I've got and I trust you're a very good girl. I know you're going to do a good job. So I need to get going now because I need to be at work early. All right, take good care of yourself, okay?
Okay, Ma.
All right, bye.
Okay. Oh. Auntie Jewel, good morning. Let me help.
Don't you dare come close to me. Who do you think you are? I don't need your help. I am not an invalid, all right? I don't need anybody's help. I am good. I'm fine all by myself, okay? Don't touch me and don't come close to me. Rubbish. I don't need help. I've been fine. Perfect. I can do everything. Yes.
Do you need any other thing?
I do not need your help.
I'm in the kitchen. Just, yeah.
Shut up! Jesus Christ! What kind of a child is this? She talks too much. Goodness! I had my peace of mind and quiet when I was alone. Everything was perfect until she came. I do not even want to have these conversations. I don't want to talk to anyone. I just want to be all by myself. I was fine. But no, she will never keep quiet. So noisy. Rubbish.
Where for day if you know they my side. Many things I forgot go decide. Many things were for don't ruin my life. If no be say you they keep me for mine. Where for day if you know they my side. Many things I for don't go decide. Many things were for don't ruin my life. If no be say you they keep me for mine. Good God, oh, you be good God. You just show yourself. You be good God. Good God. Auntie Jo, food is ready now. Should I bring it here or take you to the dining?
Food?
Yes, I made food.
You made food? For me? I mean, what food can a child like you possibly make? Oh, well, I am not going to eat the concoction you have mixed up in the name of food. Thank you very much. I'll pass. All right?
All right, Auntie Joel, I totally understand. You think I'm a baby? Well, I'm 16. I'm a child, but I can cook.
You know what? I'll pass. Okay? When I'm hungry and ready to eat, I know my ways around. I'll fix myself something to eat. Thank you very much.
Wait, how about we try something? I bring my so-called concoction for you to eat. Just like 1 spoon of it. When you try it and you like it, then you eat a plate. But if you try it and you don't like it, then I will not disturb you for the rest of the day. Please.
Oh, please, I'm trying to process. Let me think. Did you just say that if I happen not to like the poison you made, you're going to shut up the rest of the day?
The rest of the day?
I am going to have my peace and quiet.
For the rest of today, and I won't say a word to you. I promise.
Oh, well. I will want to do everything humanly possible to shut you up. I mean, if this is the only way, I'll take my chances.
That's it. I'm coming. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Good God, yo, yay. You be good God. Hey, you just say show yourself. You be good God. Good God, oh. You be good God. Congratulations, you've seen the glory of God. Congratulations. Auntie Jewel, let's go upstairs. I know you're not comfortable here.
Mind your business. Who says I'm not comfortable?
Okay, please. Let's go upstairs so you can sleep comfortably. I know you're not comfortable here.
And who says I am not comfortable here?
You are dozing off. You're not comfortable.
Busybody.
And with the way you ate this food, I thought you were going to take a spoon or two. I guess I proved you wrong.
The food?
Yes.
I mean, it wasn't so fantastic, but I mean, the only reason I ate the food was because, I mean, looking at it critically, I mean, the least I can do is to help eat it up so it doesn't get spoiled. I practically did you a favor.
Oh, yeah.
You can agree, right?
I can agree, 100%. Why not? Okay. How about we do this again?
Like you and me?
Yeah, please. You teach me how to cook since you just ate this because of the foodstuffs. Just teach me your way, okay?
Do not think for a minute that I am your mate. All right?
Okay.
Don't get too comfortable around here, please.
Please, can you teach me how to cook, Ma?
Oh, well, considering the concoction you made, I mean, I'll do you the honor of teaching you how to cook.
Yeah.
At least it will be registered in your life that I taught you how to cook. How about that?
Yes, perfect.
Good. How many more days are you going to shut up if I eventually teach you how to cook a meal?
0 minutes, because I have to ask you questions about the...
I mean, like after the meal, after teaching you.
I will never shut up.
Oh my God, this girl is impossible.
Let's go upstairs, please.
Oh, no, don't touch me. Okay?
Please.
Oh, no.
You're wearing it the wrong way.
No, it's fine. It's not the wrong way.
No, that way.
Don't touch me, okay?
No, this way.
Excuse me.
I'm not helping you. I'm going to the kitchen.
Just shut up. That's all I'm asking. Goodness. You're standing in my
No. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen.
Why are you looking at me like that? Huh? You think I need your help? I don't need your help. I have everything calculated. Okay?
Yeah.
Have a nice night.
Mommy, Daddy, what is it?
See, my exam is in 2 weeks' time. I need to pay for my school fee. I can't afford to lose that exam. And this stupid girl, her salary is still month end. I can't wait, it's very far.
So what do you want me to do for you? Should I open my stomach and sell my kidney for you? Huh?
No.
Okay, what?
Talk to her. They should give her advance payments.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Olivia. I'm going to work.
Can you tell your guy to pay your advance payment?
You know, I just started working just a few days ago. I don't know if you agree.
Shut up. Have you asked? You will ask first. If they not give you, why when you start talking? Go and confirm. Ask for the advance payment.
Calm down. I'll do that when I get to work today. Just take care of your work. Mommy, bye-bye. Take care.
If there's anything that's paining me in this life, it's this stupid song this girl used to sing in this house. She used to act like nothing is to pain her in this life. There is nothing we do to this girl in this house that she will cry or it will pain her. She's always singing and smiling. Why? Now I'm being frustrated.
Get out from my sight.
You live here. I'm going now.
Good morning, Mom. It's me, Rita. How are you?
I knew it. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing here so early?
I missed you.
What?
And it's not early. This is past 8.
You don't really need to report here every day. You know that, right?
I know I don't have to, but I think I want to. I have something for you.
You're finally leaving? Huh?
No, I thought we've gone past that. I thought we're friends. Anyway, I'm not leaving. Not now. Maybe never. So, are you ready to hear what I have to say?
I'm not interested in whatever it is you have to say.
I'll still say it. Well, I noticed how your face brightened up when I was singing yesterday. Yeah. And so I thought about it and I think I should sing today too.
Oh, please do not.
This time, you will choose whatever you want me to sing for you. Okay?
I'm not interested.
You know what? I'll make a choice for you.
I am not interested in singing with you.
A song you're going to like, a song you're going to like.
What makes you think you know me?
I don't know you, but just oh, this one. You're going to love this one. I guess. I love you, Lord,
for your mercies never fail me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness.
I told you you're gonna love it. Oh my God. And this, let me tell you, your voice is very beautiful. Spectacular, wonderful, amazing, great. Every good word you can ever think of, okay? Okay, which of the song are you going to like? This one.
No,
This
stop.
one about...
Stop. I do not want to sing. Stop. Shut up. I'm not singing with you.
But you're not...
I do not wish to sing.
As the deer pants for water, so my soul longs for you. Forever and ever, yes, my heart beats for you. More than gold, more than gold. Got something more than gold. Tell it to this world, Jesus is more than gold. More than... Hello, Auntie Susan.
How are you holding up? Hope my sister hasn't gotten you out of your mind yet.
No, she hasn't. She's actually sleeping.
Jewel is sleeping?
Yes.
This afternoon?
Yes, she's taking a nap. Why are you surprised?
This is a miracle, Rita. She barely even sleeps at night, let alone in the afternoon.
Oh.
You're really doing a great job. Well done.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you. I knew I made a great choice when I chose you. I'll come over later to see you guys. I have to go back to work. Call you, okay?
Bye. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Something more than gold. Something more than riches. I've got something more than gold. Auntie Joel.
What now?
Did I wake you up? Sorry. I just wanted to tell you that I'm about to leave. So I've done the chores, I've cleaned everywhere. And I made your favorite fruit juice. Orange. I squeezed it myself. You're going to love it. It's right here. Beside you on this table. And I packed your food. It's on the dining table. Please, whenever you feel like eating, eat, okay? I'm leaving now.
Bye. God.
Are you that happy that I'm leaving?
I mean, isn't it obvious? Because, I mean, finally you're leaving and I'm excited. Just go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take good care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night rest, okay? Bye.
Bye. Little girl,
Yes.
do you have transport?
No, I don't, but I can actually walk. I do it every day.
No, it's fine. Just take some money on my... Take some money from the table, okay?
Oh. Thank you so much. I knew you had it in you. Bye.
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 And please lock my door.
I will.
If you can't, don't come tomorrow.
Take care. Oh my God.
Please, I'll have some peace, quiet. Goodness.
But wait, do you need any other thing?
Oh my goodness, are you still here?
Sorry, bye.
Bye. Oh, Jesus Christ. What a child.
When? When will you just realize that you're not starting school anytime soon? So save your strength from this reading stress. Go inside and rest so tomorrow morning you can have enough energy to go to work.
Olivia, the reason I came out here leaving the room for you is because I need a quiet atmosphere. And besides, I'm not quitting. I will keep working hard until I achieve my dreams of being a graduate.
Dream. Joseph the dreamer. Keep on achieving the dream. Let me see you now. Huh? And that book you are reading, is that not my book? How many times have I warned you not to touch any of my books?
It's not your book. It's not your book. I bought this one with my money. Look. Does it look like your book? It's not your book. Since you said I shouldn't touch your book, I decided to raise my own money and buy my book.
Come
so
on,
I can
you shut
read.
up. You're not raising your voice at me because you read. Wait, you raise money. Hey! So you think it's your right because you now work and have small money. You think you can spend money unnecessarily in this house without informing me and Mama? Eh? Is it your right? I will tell Mama for you.
No. Oh,
yes, because that's the reason you're not raising your voice at me because you feel you don't have money more than me.
Yeah, you said I should not touch your book. And besides, I don't have money. I used my last money to buy
You are
it.
very stupid. Why didn't you give me that money to hold for you? Must you use it to buy a book? Eh? Let me hold and invest the money for you. Give me that book now.
Olivia,
Give me that
stop.
book.
Olivia, please.
Give me the book.
My book. Leave my book alone. Good morning, Ma.
It's mad today.
Ma, you ate your food and you drank this.
I don't understand. Didn't you put it there for me to eat and drink?
I'm going to the kitchen now. Do you want me to make any specific thing for you or later?
No, ma'am. Nothing.
Okay. I'll be in the kitchen in case you need me. Just scream my name. Yeah.
She sounds really strange. Today is on another level. Why is she not singing today? That's pretty strange.
Ma. Your food is ready. Should I bring it now?
Are you okay? I mean, you have been unusually quiet.
And you sound really weird. You're not too bubbly. You're not chatty. Which is so much unlike you. To be quiet.
Honestly, I'm very fine, Ma. I'm okay. I'm just not in my chatty mood today.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Why aren't you in that your usual bubbly and chatty mood? Right?
Mom, fine. Honestly, should I bring the food or should I leave it till later?
So much for someone who would always say to me, Mom, you're not an island. You can be all by yourself. Everybody needs someone, a shoulder to lean on, and someone to your worries. Now you understand that it is easier said than done, right? You are not an island, and you cannot be all by yourself. I want to be that ear. I want to listen to your worries. All right? Talk to me. What bothers you?
I'm expected to.
I mean, from where? Where does she expect you to raise such an amount?
I don't know. I honestly don't know. But I still have 6 days to figure that out. So I guess before tomorrow or next time.
What about your dad? Is he aware? Huh?
He's dead. You know, I actually miss him because he was the only one who genuinely loved me. To lean on. The only ear that wanted to listen to me.
I'm sorry to hear that. No, it's...
Ma, please. About the food. Should I bring it now or
Can we pause the food for...
When you're done and you want to eat, you can go there and take it.
Okay, Mom.
Bye.
Okay. Let it go. Wait. Here.
Ma, what's this?
Take.
What's this?
You take first. I thought I was... It's all for you. At least we can have some life back in this house. This house was weirdly quiet.
Sorry, I got distracted, but Ma, thank you. God will bless you. You shall never lack you.
Okay. That's enough. Thank you.
But this is huge. Thank you so much. Hey, no. Thank you so much, Ma.
Can I ask a question?
What, Ma?
How much to buy
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. It's complete. You can go.
Thank you, Ma.
Chai.
Onyoma. Sogibu Onyoma nam.
I will. This woman she's working with now, I'm so sure that this woman is very rich. For her to be able to give her this amount of money, just a month salary, 100,000. Hey, God is good though. At least there is hope for the hopeless. Give me. You to cut my hand.
Is she not your mate? She's not your mate. You only used to collect. You have never brought money into this house.
That's because I'm working for the future. Mommy, I'm investing for the future. And once that future comes, you will enjoy. I will spoil you.
Investor.
So now you have to spoil me with this money. Let me go to school and acquire knowledge. Because I don't get metabolic bus small. I need to go and fill my head in school. So in future now, when I have that money, I will spoil you. Forget this small 100,000 is rubbish.
Small 100,000 that you have never made in your life. You better acquire that future. Because in that future, we'll mess ourselves up.
I'll spoil
Don't
you.
make money.
I'll make money.
You there for me when everyone left. You there for me when nobody cares. You stood by me when I was all alone. You there for me, Jesus, you there for me. You there for me when everyone left. You there for me when nobody cared. You stood by me when I was all alone. You there for me, Jesus, you there for me.
Ah, amazing. Whew. Has anyone ever told you that you have one of the most amazing voice?
Thank you so much.
Your voice is truly beautiful. Why aren't you at the Nigerians Got Talent? Trust me, you'd pass the audition.
Show me.
You know, your voice reminds me so much of myself way back when I used to sing.
You used to sing?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah, I used to sing. I used to sing to my daughter and my husband, and they really, really loved to listen to me sing.
Wait, you said your daughter and your husband. You've never told me about them. Where are they and how are they? I've never seen them.
Well, I guess they are fine in heaven.
They're what?
Mm-hmm.
What did you...
I lost my husband and daughter to the same accident that left me blind.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to talk about them.
No, it's fine. Trust me, it's okay. I mean, it's a long time now, and yeah, we're moving on with life. But believe me, my life has never been the same. It's never been the same again. I watched my life changed in a flash. I became a brand new person. I became that woman who was angry at life, bitter at everyone because of what life did to me. From my sister to the people she employed to take care of me, even though some of them were really mean to me. And you know, life really sucks. Life sucks. Imagine waking up every day to live the same life. You live, you repeat the same circle. Imagine you being at the mercy of people. Imagine being dependent on someone for literally everything. It really sucks. But one thing I'm grateful for is my sister. I do not tell her all the time, but I'm here because she never gave up on me, despite everything. And of course, I'm grateful for you too.
So wait, this is why you didn't want me to come here at first?
Yes, because I judged you with my experience. But of course I was wrong. You're different. And I'm grateful. Thank you.
It's fine. I've lost a father before. So I understand how you feel. But what I surely don't understand is leaving without seeing. I'm sorry about that. But I need you to know that our power is in the mind. Okay? If you can think it, then you can do it. Just try looking at life from another perspective. Try visualizing it from another angle. It first happens in your mind. Then it gradually reflects on you physically. I know wherever your daughter and husband is right now, they want you to be happy. They'll always want you to be happy. And that's what I think you should do. Be happy always. And as for me, I will try my possible best to be always beside you. I promise. I'll try my best to be that shoulder you can always lean on, that person you can always talk to. Okay? Please stop crying.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're very smart and fluent. I mean, eloquent. Why aren't you in school?
My mom doesn't have enough money to send me to school. So I have to work and save.
But you could have been in a government school. I mean, it's better than nothing.
I mean, if I go to a public school, then I'll end up paying for the school uniform, books, chairs, and lockers, and that's also money. All those things, all those expenses are too much. That's why I want to work. Save up enough money so I can pay for anything.
What class did you stop?
I stopped at primary 5.
Just primary 5?
Yes.
And you're this smart?
I was just about to write my first school leaving certificate when my father died. That day was the last day of registration for the first school leaving certificate. So my dad was on his way to borrow money so that he can pay. I was waiting for him to come back and give me the good news that I would finally write my first school leaving certificate and start going to secondary school.
And?
Before we could even wait, he got a call that he died. in an accident.
Nothing interests me anymore. I don't know what else to do. But when I had the sound,
Life happens. Shake it off.
yeah,
Shake it off.
Yeah.
It's just irresistible. Oh no, no, no. But when I had the sound coming from the other side, oh, it is irresistible. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So I will follow the sound of music, sound of music. Follow the sound of music. That's where my healing is. So I will follow the sound of music. Follow the sound of music. Follow the sound of music. That's where my healing is.
Let's go! What he has done for me, what nobody can do. Yeah. Hey, I am testifying. He has done me well, oh. Jesus. If I start to count your blessings, I know I'm fit to count them all. You have done it, oh God. Hey, I am testifying. Nobody can do the things you do for me, oh. Oh my Jesus, the way you do, I love the things you do for me. My mouth cannot tell it all. I'm in love with you. You have done it all, oh God. My mouth will testify of your goodness and your mercy. I am complete in you, oh God. You've done everything, even if you do nothing else for me. You've done enough, oh my Jesus. Hello. Good morning, Auntie Susan. Auntie Joe wants to speak with you. Okay.
Hello? Hello, sis. Please, I need a favor from you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hey, Rita. Thank you so much, Rita.
My darling, my dearly beloved child. Sit with us now. This is why are you alright? Did you have something to eat today?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so let's...
Thank you.
So you said you're her boss?
Yes, I'm her boss.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Welcome to our home.
So I came to see you for something. I want to take permission from you for something. So my sister wants to take Rita here through school from whatever level she is right now to PhD and even her master's.
Oh, wow. That is very generous of your sister. Your sister is very kind though.
Yeah, she is. And your daughter is a very, very wonderful girl as well.
She's very wonderful.
Very smart,
very
good,
smart.
very humble.
Very humble.
You really did a great job here.
We thank God. It's the work of God. We give glory to God. She's a very nice child. You said PhD.
Yeah, even masters. Like she deserves it. She's very, very good.
Of course, she does. She deserves it. PhD.
So I came to take permission from you as a mother, so you could grant us the permission, and then we'll take it from there.
Oh, okay. That is very kind and thoughtful of you.
Yeah, not me. She's a very good girl and she deserves even more.
Hey! Hi, Auntie.
Hi, my love.
I want to say a very big thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. You don't know what this means to me. Thank you so much. When you told me you wanted to see my mom, I didn't know it's because of school.
Mom, this is your bad character. You have to end it. Why? Why did you give that woman permission to train that she got in school? Why? And I'm here, struggling on how to complete my own school fees. Every time I'm always struggling. And you start there. They want to train that she got in school. And you accepted. Thought you're my mother. Can't you use your motherly tone and twist everything and put me in her position and put her in my position? Let them train me, not her. This your thing is very, very wicked and unfair of you. Yes. So now that girl now will graduate before me. I'll still be here. Come. In your youthful age, what were you doing? But make me to understand what is going on.
I was surprised hearing you talking about school. Thank you so much.
It's okay. This was all yours, and I'm just a messenger, so she asked me to come send you to school and get your mom the information. So that's just it.
Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Okay. Thank you.
It's fine. So okay, I need to start going to work. This is my card. Give me a call first thing on Monday morning. I'll come pick you up.
Wait, ma, we're going on Monday.
How come that woman has so much money to spend on that? That man is very, very rich woman, and you are here suffering. You brought me in this world to suffer.
God, I don't know my offense. I don't know what I must have done to you in my former life for you to punish me with this useless child.
That means you are useless too, because you are the one that trained me. A useless woman trained a useless girl. We look at like you don't know. There's nothing, nobody's useless. If I'm useless, both of us, we are in the same side together. You don't see my chicks. I can't have the same fat chicks like you. Just carry me on this life, never get money. When you that woman was making money, what were you doing? Maybe you're following boys. Which kind of life is this one?
So soon. Thank you so much, ma.
It's okay. You deserve the best. You're such a good and nice girl. Okay? So I need to start hurrying to work right now, okay? Just go and complete what you're doing and talk later.
Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
then, take care.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Sure.
Hey, thank you so much, ma. Bye-bye, ma. So I'm going to school.
So now that's Mumu. That game now we just graduate and out. Hey, every time, and she's the only one that should give us money for food. If those people now decided to carry that game, I mean, how can we keep me in this house? So, hey, make use of your time while you are in your youth. But I don't know what my mother was doing. What was she doing? Hey, which kind of life is this?
I can never explain the things you do for me. Oh.
Hey, come here. Where are you going to?
Work. That's the only place I'm going to.
I'm going to work. And you are talking. Which stupid work? Rubbish. Eh? No, I should wait for you till you come back from work before you make breakfast for me. Eh? Don't worry, I know what is doing you. You've grown wings. They've not yet registered you in school. You are not thinking we are in the same level.
Oh, you put on me now.
I will stone this on your head now. Rubbish. Better go back inside and make breakfast for me. Don't be stupid.
I was going there. You should have just said. This is not fair. My life is so empty without you. So empty without you. My life is incomplete without you. Hey, incomplete without you. The life I live is not my own. Oh, it's Christ that lives in me. This life I live is not my own. But it's Christ that lives in me.
Jeez! Why did you do that? What did you do that for? Rita! How dare you? Jesus! Why did you break this glass cup? Me, do you know how much it costs in the market? Do you?
I did not break it.
Rita, what is your problem?
I was cleaning this TV set.
Okay.
And I was singing.
Let's say you decided to break my cup.
No! Why would I break a cup?
Rita, do you realize we don't have plates in that kitchen anymore? Courtesy of you. You've broken all my plates. Now you've migrated to my cups. No problem. When you break everything in my kitchen, you bring your skin and your head for me to use and eat. Do you hear me? When you finish, I will skin you, put it on the floor. Since you want me to eat from the ground, you will eat from the ground. Because, what is your problem?
I promise you, I'm not the one that promised
You see, I'm the one to talk. Eh?
It's Olivia.
Okay, so I cannot see. I did not, I am blind.
No, I'm not arguing, ma. Please, I'm sorry, please. Adonai, you're the only song I sing. Let your glory cover all the earth. Hey, I love the way I'm talking to you and you listen to me. Whenever I pray, you they answer, oh, you never let me down. Adonai, you're the only song I sing. Let your glory cover all the earth. I like the way I'm talking to you and you listen to me. Whenever I pray, you they answer, oh, you never let me down. See the way you love me. Hey, see the way you care for me. Hey. Adonai, you're the only song I sing. Let your glory cover all the earth. Oh, I love the way I'm talking to you and you listen to me. Whenever I pray, you they answer, oh, you never let me down. Oníṣẹ́ Yanu, you're the God of awesome wonders. I've tasted of your power. Onisha, Yanu, Don, you have shown me so much mercy, much more than I deserve. My eyes have. My ears have. Tanya, what happened? Why did you do this now? Why?
This is leaking, I don't know. It's a small work. Just bring your mobile, mob it.
Olivia, this is not fair. This is not fair. I've been working this morning. I'm very tired.
Just shut up. Hold it there. Are you mad? What are you feeling like now? So, because that woman said she's going to sponsor you in school, and you think we are now the same age, that you won't have the mind to push me. Let me tell you something. You are beneath me, and that is where you will forever be.
Olivia, to be more serious, why would you do this kind of thing?
Wait.
God knows if you are the one that mocked this place, you'll be very angry if someone else did this to you.
Did you just touch me? You want to fight me? Oh yeah, fight me. Beat me. Yes, now for you to touch me means you're ready to beat me. Beat me!
Oh, Olivia, stop. Stop this drama.
Oh yeah, beat me.
Olivia, beat me. Oh, stop this drama now. Stop this drama.
What is all this? What is happening?
You want to kill me? Ow!
Alone.
I don't understand. What is this?
I told you this girl she's a devil. She wants to kill me.
Rita, what is this on the floor?
She spilled red oil on the floor. And I'm telling her to clean it. She wants to beat me.
Beat yourself.
When you came, not see her hand on my neck. She almost strangled me.
It's not true. You are bigger than everybody.
No, it's not true. You are there.
No, it's not how it happened, Ma. Please. Ma, please. Ma. I promise you that's not how it happened.
So, Rita, bring your mother. Come and mop this thing for me. If you finish mopping, you sleep outside. Because you're bigger than the owner of the house. Now you want to beat me too. Come and beat me.
Today is the day that woman is coming to register her for school. It won't be nice if she comes and she sees her outside.
Mom, don't tell me you allowed that woman register this girl in my school. No, please, oh.
Rita! Rita! Are you deaf? Is your ear paining you? You cannot.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Olivia.
Go and get ready.
Thank you.
Don't match me. Don't match me. Oh, this game irritates me. She's frustrating my life. And now they will not register her in my school where I have to be seeing her every minute, every second, every hour, every day. This one is more than suffering, no. It's more than suffering.
Auntie Jewel! Auntie Jewel! Auntie! I'm sorry. Thank you so much. God will bless you. May the good Lord bless you in Jesus' name. Amen. You shall know no pain. Peace everywhere in your life.
Amen.
Thank you.
So how did it go?
It went well.
Everything. Do you like the school?
This is the best school in the States. I love it.
I knew it.
Thank you so much. When I collected my school, I was asking myself, is this not a dream? And it's not a dream. I have a school uniform. Thank you so much.
It's okay, all right? That's enough. Thank you for one day. I'm happy you're happy. And when are you supposed to start?
Oh, next week.
Yes. Good.
Thank you so much.
That's enough. That's enough. I'm happy. I'm happy for you.
Wait. Now that I think of it, when I go to school, who'll be taking care of you? You know what? I'm going to come here early in the morning, do some chores, prepare breakfast and lunch for you. and then go to school. When I come back from school, I'll come back here.
No, you don't have to worry about that, okay? Listen, I'll be fine.
No.
I'll take care of myself.
I insist. How would you eat breakfast?
Okay, so how about we do it this way? You go to school in the morning and come back here after school.
I will come back here after school, but I'm worried about you.
I am going to order breakfast henceforth.
Oh. Okay.
That settles it, right?
That's a good idea. Now, I'm going to make a very good meal for you to eat. Sit here, wait for me, okay?
Wait, hold on. How about you sing for me instead?
You want me to sing for you?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Why not? Which song do you want me to sing?
Any good song.
Any good song. Okay. A minute. I'm here, right here. Should I sing Good God? Good God. Okay. Some may trust in horses, others in chariots. I'll trust you. Even when it doesn't seem like it makes sense, I'll trust you. Yes, I will trust you. Wherefore day, if you know they my side, many things I for don't go decide. Many things ruin my life. If no be said, you they keep me for mine. Wherefore day, if you know they my side, many things I for don't go decide. Many things wherefore don't ruin my life. If no be said, you they keep me for mine. Good God, oh, you be good God. You just show yourself, you be good God. Good God, oh, you be good God. You just show yourself, you be good God. All my life you have been.
Shut up.
Babe.
Where are you coming from?
I went to register in school now.
Which school? I didn't see you in my school.
Oh, that's because I do. Ow.
What? Is this not Providence College school uniform?
Yes, it's for Providence College.
Wait, did they register you in the school?
Yes.
What?
I'm so excited, I know.
Shut up! That's the best school in the state, so how come? What are you doing for them?
Me.
Tell me, what are you doing for them that will make them spend such an amount on you just for school fees?
Nothing much.
As useless as you are. Eh? Start talking. Start talking before I slap you. Start talking!
I just cook and clean the house and sing for her blind sister. That's all I do.
You just cook and sing for their blind sister.
Yes.
And that's why they are spending lavishly on you these days. Just like that. Now come here. Sit.
Oh God, my...
Look at me. You're going to tell me every single details about that woman and don't miss a thing.
I don't know much about her.
Start talking. How does she get her money?
I don't know.
What have you done to her? Have you bewitched her?
No.
Tell me. Why is she spending on you like that?
I don't know her family
I'm
history.
going to...
How are you? You came late today. Why are you late?
Late. I was doing things in the house.
And who are you? Who?
Rita.
Speak! This is not Rita.
Yeah. I am Rita's sister.
Huh? Oh, okay. Rita's, yeah.
Mommy. Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you.
I've been waiting for you to wake up. There's something we need to talk about.
Really?
Yes.
Who's that?
So, what are you doing here and where is Rita?
I came to assist her. As for Rita, she ran away.
Huh?
She ran away to another country with a boy.
What are you talking about? Isn't Rita supposed to be 16? She ran off with a boy.
16.
Uh-huh.
Like say you know, say now all these 16 years old girls they do pass. That girl, as she small rich, her eye don't tear. She dey follow man. Yes, so
Rita.
She follow man go another country. She said she don't want to do this work again.
You know my sister. She needs somebody to come stay with her. I want you to go and live with her.
Your sister?
Yes.
My sister lives like 2 hours from here.
And?
Mom, I just got registered in a school. I'm supposed to start by next week. If I go to your sister's house now, there's no how I can make it to school every day.
Then you forfeit this year's admission. Yes, that's the idea.
Oh no, Mommy, I thought you were in support of me going to school when Miss Suzanne was here.
I was. And then I changed my mind. Can't I change my mind? Let me just tell you the honest truth. I am having serious financial difficulties. I've not been able to pay Olivia's school fees. And knowing that your boss is very wealthy and she can take care of all these school expenses, Olivia will take your place in her house.
So me will be good Samaritan. Me, I'm a very nice person. I don't like issue. I think I say you no go fit there at home. Only you, nobody will come assist you. I say make I can't help you for today. I can still come tomorrow, next tomorrow if you want. So, but for now, we'll take good care of you and you will love me.
Huh?
You will like me out there.
That's it.
No, you don't have to. It's you that we have to sit down. Let me start my work. If it's for me to sing, I can sing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, fi, sa, sol, la, ti.
Don't sing.
Yeah, sit down.
Just sit. Okay?
No, sit. This your hair. I'll start. You don't need to wear hair in this hot weather. Let me keep it for you.
No, don't touch me. Like that?
Olivia will do all the things that you do for her. She will get to like Olivia and she will sponsor Olivia. Simple.
Wait, this is why you're doing all of this? So that Olivia will take my place. And she'll get to be liked by Miss Jewel. And Miss Jewel will start paying her school fees and sponsor her in school. Mommy, this is not fair. This is not fair. Just when I have the opportunity to go to school, you want to ship me off like that. This is not fair.
Listen, this is not up for debate. I didn't come to have a conversation. When you are done crying, clean your face, pack your things, and wait. Her husband will come and pick you tomorrow.
My wounded heart never gets healed.
Please now, please, I beg you.
My bleeding heart never get healed.
No.
Broken and shattered. I don't know what else to do. Nothing interests me anymore. I don't know what else to do. But when I had this sound coming from the other side, is just irresistible. Oh no, no, no. But when I heard the sound coming from the other side, oh, it is irresistible.
Sorry, sit down, okay? Oh yes, sit. Sit now.
I thought Rita was nice, but
Leave Rita. Leave Rita.
No, don't touch me, okay?
Even that voice when it is say she gets, now me teach her. You don't know. I'm a very good.
Sit, please.
You sit. Sit. Let me start my work now. Let me start.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
First of all, to start my work, I need to start from up, cleaning from up, then down. So you give me your room key.
Huh?
Your room key now. You don't get room key. Or your room open?
I don't lock my door.
Your door is open.
Yes.
to make my work very easy and faster. This thing looks like gold. It's not gold, Abby. Because if they blink for my eye.
Of course, I wear gold.
Blind people not supposed to wear this kind of thing.
Excuse me?
Hello? How far? Did she believe you?
That woman is difficult. Oh. She's very difficult. Oh. She don't believe me. No, she don't believe me.
Well, if she doesn't believe you, we have to go with the second plan.
Okay. How is Rita?
I don't know. I locked her in the room. She's in the room.
Oh, okay. Don't let her escape until uncle comes and pick her up.
Of course, that's the plan. Please take care of yourself over there, okay?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Hey Siri, call Susan.
What are you trying to do? Why do you want to call your sister?
Because I didn't believe your story. Where is Rita?
Come on, will you shut up? I just know say you no go believe me. That's by the way. Let's start the business for today. Now let me focus on the business. Now why I came here is because I want money.
I don't have money.
I want when I say I want money, I mean I want all your money, all the billions you have. I want it now.
I don't keep money at home.
Okay.
I don't have any money here for you.
It's obvious you're thinking I came here to play. See, I'm with gun, I'm with knife, AK-47. Anything, I carry everything with me. See, if you don't give me what I want, I will kill you, and nobody will know what happened there.
But I'm being honest. My sister is in charge of my finances, okay? So I just call my sister so that she can bring money for you.
You have seen Mumu? Do I look like a fool to you?
No, but...
You want me to call your sister and tell your sister that you are in danger? They should carry police and come here. They will not arrest him.
I'm not going to do that.
Come on, will you shut up? Give me money now.
That's what I'm saying. My sister, if you want money, then you must have to call her. I mean, she's in charge of all my finances since I got blind. I have no business being with money in the house. Please.
So why are you not a big woman? All these things when you wear, all these things you are putting on now, you don't have shishi on you, no money.
I mean, the money is not here in the house, but if my sister comes, she'll bring it for you.
See, give me money, Joe. Give me money. See, you have billions with you. That's why you are taking care of that stupid girl. You are even sponsoring her in one of the biggest schools in this city. And you are telling me you don't have money. Mama. Hello, Mama. Hey. Come on. Why are you putting your ear in my phone call? Stay there, I'm coming. Don't move an inch. Can you believe? She tried to call her sister.
You know you cannot allow her call her sister. That is obviously a trap.
Okay, but what am I going to do? I don't think there is any money here.
I mean, I'm sure there is something. Look around. There's something we can do.
What?
I don't know. Maybe she has expensive jewelry, gold, something we can sell and make good money.
Okay. That's a good idea.
All right, hurry up. Go fast. Be careful. Be very careful.
I left her, what did I tell you? Eh? I told you not to move an inch from that spot you were. But see, I don't have time again. Where is the money?
I don't have it.
See!
I told you everything.
You think you just say I play with them? You think I play with them? Where you keep your money now? Eh? Which kind of bad luck be this today?
Mended hearts but never get healed. The rope has been joined but never the same. Nothing else matters. I just wanna be alone. This is the life I chose, and nobody should come close. But when I had this sound coming from the other side, it's just irresistible. Oh no, oh no. But when I had this...
Rita! Where is she? Rita! What? I don't understand. Rita, open this door! Rita! Ah, God. Oh, where's my spec? Oh! Hey! Rita! This girl locked me in my house. Wow. Hey? I didn't know you were this smart, though. So you have sense.
Hey! Hello, Mama. Escape? How? What do you mean by she escape? I'm leaving already now. What did you allow her to escape? Hey?
Susan. So are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Thank goodness.
Sis, I need you to hurriedly go and check up on Rita for me. I don't think that girl is okay. The little girl is definitely going through something. Please.
That's fine. No problem. I'll go to her place and then I'll figure out what's happening.
Okay.
Right. Sure.
Please, I'll be waiting.
It's okay. But just sit down and please stay around your phone. I'm going to give you a call, okay?
I will.
Hurry up. Olivia, let's go. I don't know why you're wasting. You're always slow. I don't know why your things are always different.
I'm coming.
Where are you?
I'm here.
And where do you think you're going to?
Oh yeah, let's go.
No.
What happened?
I asked a question.
VG. I'll go for that VG.
Oh no, what she went to say is that we are going to my sister's house. My sister just gave birth, so we want to go and
Oh really?
Yes.
But enough with this acting.
Acting?
Your daughter here came to my sister's house to steal from her.
Lord of Jesus.
God forbid. God forbid.
Holy Mary. I have never stolen in my life.
Steal?
Did you teach me how to steal?
No. God forbid.
It's not in my blood. I cannot steal.
Who used to steal in our family?
Oh, just enough. Just stop with all this trash.
Hey.
Oh, well, I just came to talk. But since you both are denying the fact, I'll just take the CCTV footage to the police tomorrow morning.
Hey. Footage?
Yes, of course.
CCTV.
Oh, really? You didn't know that my sister had cameras mounted all over the corners of her house?
Hey. Sister.
I'm so disappointed in you.
Funny enough, we don't used to steal. Funny enough, never. Nobody has stolen in the history of my family.
It's just only
never.
You stole?
There is a first time for everything.
Hi.
I did not even steal. I took.
We are sorry. Please don't go to the station.
Meanwhile, where is Rita?
Rita.
Where is Rita? Is she not with you?
What do you mean is she not with me?
Why are you looking at me? Where Rita?
She ran away from the house yesterday.
Run to where?
I don't know. I've not seen or heard from her and I thought she was with you.
With me? Rita is not with you. Yeah.
This must be very crazy.
We are sorry. That girl, beg her.
Sorry.
Madam, please. I have never stolen. I took.
Don't go to the police
station. I don't.
I do not believe this. I mean, this is not making sense. If they're not lying, then where is Rita? They must have hurt her.
Sis, I don't think they hurt her. Sis, don't worry. Everything will be fine. She's okay.
She's not. If she's okay, she'll be here. Where is she? I mean, the whole story is not adding up. That she ran off with what? No. Rita can be anything. Stubborn, yes, but she's not the girl in that story. It's not making any sense. That girl had more than 1 million reasons to have left that house before now, but she didn't. She stayed back. And now you want to tell me that all of a sudden she just decided to disappear. The same Rita who was here, excited about going back to school next week. She was happy. I don't believe the story. It's not making any sense. It's not.
Sis, I already contacted the police about it. They're on the search. She'll definitely be found. And if there's any information about her, we'll be the first to know about it.
That's the whole point. It's not adding up. It's not. I feel so uneasy about this.
I know. But sis, calm down. She'll be fine. Just calm down, okay?
That girl was
Phone is
happy.
ringing.
She was happy here. Who is
An unknown number is calling me.
Please speak up.
Hello? What?
What is it?
At the hospital? Okay, no problem. I'm coming there right now. No problem, I'm coming. Since the hospital just called me now. Rita is in the hospital.
Rita is in the hospital. Is she alive? Is she okay? What is wrong? Which hospital is that?
I don't know. They just called me. Let me just go. No.
I'm going with you.
You're going with me?
Yes, I am. I'm going.
Here. Here. Let's go. Yeah, this direction. Come in. Come inside. Okay. All right, you sit down. Let me get you something to drink, okay?
Sit. Okay?
Wow. Sorry, can I ask? Which one of you is my mother?
None of us actually is.
Wait, so we're not related? How are we related?
Well, not by blood, but we are related by friendship and relationship. Yes, we already built a friendship over time. All right?
Okay.
You're safe.
I hope so.
You are.
So what about my parents? How can I see them? Where are they? Who are they?
Can you just calm down? All right? Remember what the doctor said to you. You need to relax your brain.
Yeah.
Everything will come back to you, okay?
My head hurts. So frustrated, not remembering anything.
It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be fine.
I'm trying so hard to remember something.
Don't worry your pretty head, okay? Just relax it. Remember what the doctor asked.
Right here. Get something to drink, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So frustrating, not remembering anything.
Relax. Don't speak, okay?
Okay.
Drink up.
You'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's fine. Hope you're good.
Yes.
Are you okay? Do you feel any kind of pain or discomfort?
No, Ma. I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma, is there any problem? Are you okay?
Why? Oh, no, I'm okay. I'm fine. Everything's fine.
Oh. I feel relieved, like...
I'm just thinking about Rita. I'm wondering what I can possibly do to make her situation better than it is. It's almost impossible to believe that that woman is her mom. Because a woman will not birth her own child and treat her the way she does. Susan? Susan? Susan, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm fine. No, there's no problem. I'm okay.
Did you hear what I just said about Rita?
Yes, I did. Hello, doctor. Okay, I'll be there right away. All right, no problem.
I love you, Lord, for your mercies never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing.
Auntie Joel.
Rita. Rita.
Auntie Joel, I think I remember everything.
You do?
Yes. My mom wanted me to go to my sister's house. To her sister's house. She locked me up in her room and wait, I escaped from the room and then a car hit me down on the road.
Rita, you remember?
Yes.
You just called me by my name. You remember me?
Yes.
Rita!
I remember. And
what else do you remember? What else can you remember about me?
You have a sister.
Of course I have a sister.
You have a sister and her name?
Susan! Yes! Susan!
Yes.
Susan!
It's me, sis.
That's Susan.
It's me.
Susan!
Hi, Rita.
Susan! Where are you?
I'm here,
Susan,
I'm
look!
here.
She remembers everything! Yes!
You remember me?
Yes! Even me, everything. She does. She remembers now.
Wow, that's good news.
I'm so happy.
Rita, can you give us some time to talk? I want to talk to Joe for some.
Okay.
She can remember. I mean, she remembers everything. My name.
Wow. Sit down. Let's talk. I want to talk about.
Is everything okay?
Yes, please sit.
Did you hear what I just said? Eh?
I did, sis.
What's going on? You feel so uneasy.
Yeah. A few days ago when I was changing Rita's hairband, I saw a scar. It was the same scar Jenny had as a child when she was growing up. Sis, do you remember the scar that was as a result of the ear piercing she had that got infected and left a scar? Do you remember?
You mean you're talking about Jenny, my child, right?
Yes.
Yes, I remember.
So I saw the same scar on Rita's ear.
Okay.
I didn't want to leave you with false hopes. I ran a test. I took her hair and then I ran a few tests. Sis, she's your daughter.
What? What? Wait. Is this really true?
That's what the test said.
Wait. Susan. My daughter is dead. That's what you told me, right? My daughter died alongside my husband.
The truth was...
Yeah?
The truth was, her body was never found.
But you told me you buried her.
You were in coma for 6 months, sis. I did everything in my power to find her. I looked for her everywhere. I couldn't find her. And I didn't want you to be stuck with your past. So I told you she was dead.
Susan, you lied to me.
It felt like the right thing I could do at that time.
No, that wasn't the right thing. What about telling me that my daughter was missing? How about telling me that? Because if you did, I would have done everything humanly possible to find my child.
I already did those things, sis. It was 6 months. You were in coma. I looked for her. I did everything possible. I'm sorry, sis, but I had to save your life as well.
She's my child. I can't believe it.
I'm sorry, sis.
So, mommy, there's one song I composed. Yes, it's like a rap. I want to sing it.
A rap? Ah, okay.
Don't you think Don't you think I can compose
I
it?
don't trust that one.
You don't trust me. You don't trust me.
Okay, well, let me hear it.
You know, okay, I'll sing it for you. It's a rap. It's kind of a song rap in the middle of the both of them. I don't know how to
An
explain it.
infusion of rap.
Yes. All right.
And reggae.
Why are you laughing at me?
Okay, sorry, I'm not laughing.
Don't laugh when I'm singing it. It's very interesting. I know I can be what I wanna be. I know I can be what I wanna be. I know I can be what I wanna be. I know I can be what I wanna be. We got vibe. We got on my side. I'ma survive.
Wait. This
we
is your
got
rap.
on my side.
Let's start it. What about it? See, for you. We got on the side. I can't. What? We got
Wait, there's a main rap. There's a main rap. Mom? How are you?
I'm fine.
You know, you're looking very beautiful today.
Rita, thank you. But what do you want?
Can't I give my mom a compliment?
Oh, well, you can, but I know it's not for free. This is going to cost me. So you tell me.
Mom, I want to talk to you about something.
I knew it.
It's about Olivia and her mom.
What about them?
I heard from Auntie Susan that you charged them for attempted robbery. Mom, please, can you drop the charges?
No.
Please.
Oh, Rita, no. No. I understand how you feel. But for crying out loud, they do not deserve any form of sympathy from you. Have you forgotten so soon how you were treated?
I know. I have not forgotten.
So what are you saying?
I know they treated me wrongly, but at least they also treated me right at some point. They took care of me. I mean, if not for them, I wouldn't be here. Who knows where I'll be? Maybe on the streets or something. Mom.
Wow. You have a valid point.
Thank you. Now, can you please drop the charges?
This is hard, but you know I can't deny you anything, right?
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you for agreeing to meet with us. Even though we know we don't deserve it. One fateful night, many years ago, my husband came home with a toddler, a 2-year-old. He told me he found her in an accident scene and that her parent did not make it. It was raining. And the only sensible thing to do was bring her home. He made me swear never to tell you. I am sorry, but I am not your biological mother. He loved you so much. He loved you too much. It didn't even make any sense. But I didn't judge him because we had lost our second daughter prior to that time. So for him, it was a sign from God that you were his lost child. He adored you. Nothing I said made sense. He just wanted to take care of you. We fought so much. And it was because of you. We were always fighting. He would pick you over anybody and anything, even his own daughter. And all this just made me hate you every day. Every day. I just had so much resentment in me towards you. As you know, some few years ago he died. And on that fateful day, we had a crazy fight again. And it was because of you. He wanted to borrow money from cooperative to put you in school. I wanted him to put that money in my business. But he wouldn't hear of it. He was so angry. He angrily left the house. And he never came back again. And that was the last day I saw my husband. Whenever I looked at you, I just hated you. Because in my mind, it is your fault. It was your fault. I didn't have a relationship with my husband. It was your fault. He died because of you. And every day I just grew so much hate and anger towards you. I just wanted to find so many ways I could. I know this does not justify how we treated you. You didn't ask for any of this. I know. But I just couldn't take that thought off my mind. I am very sorry. It was never your fault. I am deeply sorry. I hope you can find a way in your heart and forgive us for everything we did to you. You didn't deserve any of those treatments that we meted on you. Please, forgive us.
I have already forgiven you. I've forgiven you a long time ago. I mean, no matter what, you still took care of me. Even though you didn't like me and you hated me. But at least you didn't throw me out on the street or starve me to death when my father died. I'm grateful for that. And I really miss him. He was the best. And you know, I've always known that you're not my mother. I just had this thing in me telling me that you can't possibly be my mother. Maybe I doubted it because of the resentment you had for me, or because of the way my supposed sister treated me. But you see, just like the saying goes, everything works together for good. So, it's all good. I mean, all these was just a pathway to lead me to my biological mother.
Your mother?
Yes. We found out that she's my mother.
Yes. She's my child. We conducted a DNA and we found out that she's my child. And I'm seated here with the woman who treated my child with so much disdain and hatred. It's good.
Miss Joel, I am sorry.
Of course.
I am very sorry. Please, forgive us.
Of course you're sorry. Yes, you're sorry.
Please. Please.
What? I forgive her. I know that's what you want to ask, right? I forgive her. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking my child in and treating her the way you did. Thank you for taking care of her, even though you did in the worst way ever. As much as I appreciate all you've done for her, I want to also state that I do not wish to intentionally cross paths. Please, as much as you can, keep your distance away from me and my child. You and your daughter can have a nice life.
I understand. And thank you for dropping the charges. Thank you very much. Once again, Rita, I am deeply sorry. Please forgive us. We'll be on our way now. Thank you so much for your time.
Have a nice life.
Please.
Take care of yourself.
Bye. Thank you.
My child, what's wrong? Why are you down? I can feel it.
I don't know, I just think we shouldn't have let them go like that. We should have done something for them. You know how much they're suffering. We should have helped Olivia or the both of them. I mean, they're still my family, even though not by blood, but...
Well, I understand. I understand how you feel. I know that you are very compassionate. You have a very beautiful heart. But life is very deep and complicated. I have seen and been through a lot in life to understand that some people are better kept away. You won't understand this now, but someday you will. I forgive them. I mean, we forgive them. It's not even about how they treated you. But for crying out loud, she had a knife to my face, locked you up. Come on. That is extreme. Now, what worries me is not knowing to what extent she can go. So people like that are not to be trusted. And I am not going to be careless about the only child that I have. The Bible teaches us about forgiveness, yes. But at the same time, the Bible also tells us that the heart of a man is desperately wicked. What do you do when you know that this person has a wicked heart? When you find out, you run. You don't give chances and opportunities to people that can hurt you. So my child, we are being wise because forgiveness is not foolishness. Okay, that doesn't make you bad.
All right? Protect your energy and your space. And that's exactly what we are doing. You will understand better when you grow up. Believe me, I am doing all of this for your own good. Okay? Trust me on this.
Okay, Mom.
So, ain't you going to smile for your mother?
My wounded heart never gets healed.
Okay, so can we eat now?
Never get healed.
Of course we can.
Okay.
Broken and shattered. I don't know what else to do. Nothing interests me anymore. I don't know what else to do. But when I had a sound coming from the other side, oh, it is irresistible.